You want to build your TikTok by likes, comments, views, shares, all that stuff. You can hit those realms. That's like recipe for viral. And the way it works is your video is going to go out to your followers first. And once they start engaging on it, liking it, commenting on it, whatever, it's going to push it further out and further out and further out from what I've noticed, right? There's no set stone on how this algorithm works. It's designed because it's an algorithm to keep us on our toes, and it changes all the time by itself either way. And so, but what I've noticed is the watch time, your hook, your body, and your call to action. And so it doesn't, you don't have to be in the money making niche. You could be in any niche. Just talk about how you could overcome somebody's roadblock with your product or service, and also talk about your fails too. Not just your wins, because we are human. We are connecting with individuals that are on TikTok that are human. They're people with feelings. They, like, you know what I mean? So if we can connect with those people, show our wins and our losses, they can be more relatable, right? But then at the end of that loss, it's not really a loss. It's just kind of like a stumble. Show them how you fell forward and you became that authority, right? Rather than falling backwards and giving up, you fell forward and it dove deeper.